Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Firstcard Credit Builder Card app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Firstcard is a credit-building financial app designed primarily for students and young adults who are new to credit. It provides an easy way to build credit while managing everyday spending through a linked debit-style credit builder card. The app offers features like real-time transaction tracking, spending insights, automatic payments, and virtual card access, helping users stay on top of their finances without traditional credit score requirements. It is available on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is its credit building system. Your purchases are tracked, paid off automatically, and reported to major credit bureaus to help build your credit over time. It also includes budgeting tools, account management options, and spending notifications to help users develop healthier financial habits. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate how simple the app is, especially for beginners who have never used a credit product before. The automatic payments help prevent missed due dates, and users like the transparency in tracking spending and credit progress. It gives peace of mind to students who want to start building credit safely without high fees or complicated requirements. However, there are some drawbacks. Spending limits may feel low for some users, and rewards are limited compared to traditional credit cards. The app may also require consistent income verification, and certain features depend on stable internet connectivity for real-time updates. In addition, since it is designed for beginners, advanced credit tools are not included. In summary, the Firstcard app may be worth using if you want a simple, beginner-friendly way to start building credit while managing everyday spending. However, if you're looking for high rewards, higher credit limits, or advanced financial tools, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.